Hello all, in this video we are going to study about the pharmacognosy of lipids or fats and its classification and the chemical test. Now as we all are aware about the lipids are the organic compounds that are found in every type of plant and animal cell. Okay, lipids are also known as fats. They contain the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, but oxygen is very less than in that of carbohydrates. They are insoluble in water, as we know that there are many functions: cell membrane structure, hormones, energy storage molecule, thermal insulation, mechanical protection, electrical insulation of nerves, waterproofing and buoyancy are the important functions of the lipids. Now as we know, lipids are classified as fats and oils. We have fats that are solid at room temperature and oils that are liquid at room temperature. All available bonds occupied by hydrogen. Okay, fats are saturated and oils are unsaturated. All the bonds that are occupied by hydrogen are your fats. Most animal fats are saturated, example butter and lard. Lard is something similar to that butter. Okay, it has creamy consistency. Then you have oils which is liquid at room temperature. They have double bonds, hence they are unsaturated. Okay, therefore kings are introduced. Oil that are tends to be available in plants, example your sunflower oil, olive oil. All this oil, all the categories of oils comes under the oils, or comes under the main category lipids, and in lipid it comes under oils. Okay, and semi-solid consistency or solid consistency comes in fats. Now lipids can be classified as simple, complex, derived and miscellaneous. In simple we have fats and oils and waxes. In complex we have something which is derived from simple, that is phospholipids, glycolipids, sulfolipids and lipoproteins. Alright. Then in derived we have again something which is derived from simple and complex, that is fatty acids and alcohols. Miscellaneous are others, that is your aliphatic hydrocarbons and terpenes. Now what are the chemical tests? Now all the fats and oils you might have studied that undergo three chemical tests. Okay, might have studied in your organic chemistry. You have something as acid value or hydroxyl value, saponification value, iodine value. Okay, what is acid value? It is the number of hydro-OH ions or hydroxyl ions required to neutralize 1 gram of fat or oil present, right? So iodine value is nothing but the measure of unsaturated bonds that are present into the chemical structure, and it has chances of rancidity. Saponification value is nothing but the hydrolysis of oil or fat by neutralizing fatty acid by KOH. Hydroxyl value is acetylation. Okay, let's see further. We have some examples of lipids. Arches oil, that is your peanut oil. Yes, arches oil, you have cod liver oil, you have hydrocarpus, or all the as I said, all kinds of oils. Like you have your cocoa butter, that is a solid fat, cottonseed oil, cocoa butter, linseed oil, wheat germ oil, cod liver oil are all your lipid examples. Now let's move to the very first lipid which we are going to study in detail. Its pharmacognosy is the beeswax. Now the synonym of beeswax is sera flava. ठीक है, and this beeswax is obtained, it is a purified wax which is obtained by melting the walls of honeycombs of the bees Apis mellifica and other species of Apis family is your एपीडे. ओके, जो भी हनीकॉम्ब होते हैं उसके वॉल्स को मेल्ट किया जाता है in order to obtain beeswax. Okay, it is also the other synonym is the Sera flava. Okay, it belongs to family Apidae. The geographical source is France, Italy, West Africa, Jamaica, and India. These are the main sources from where beeswax is obtained. Now, this is the how it functions to be obtained, or what is the method of preparation. First, the beeswax is melted and obtained. Okay, so this is the first step, where the beeswax is collected, and honeycomb walls are boiled at certain degree in order to remove the toxicity. So it is boiled, then it is put into the filtrate. Okay, then it is covered for certain time for the moisture to be evaporated and to for finding a thick structure. Then from this, it is scrapped off, the whatever the toxics are there, that is scrapped off, and the honey is collected in a pouch like sac. So that honey is collected, and that is from that okay, a wax like which is left over in the uh, pocket is your wax. Okay, that is nothing but your beeswax. Okay, chemical constituents are ester of straight chain, monohydric alcohol with straight chain, mycelium, cerotic acid, small quantity of malicylic acid, and aromatic substance. Okay, these are the chemical constituent. What is a chemical test? Saponification cloud test, in which will boil 5 grams of beeswax with 20 ml of this is aqueous caustic soda solution for 10 minutes. हम लोग 5 ग्राम beeswax लेंगे, 20 ml उसमें caustic soda डालेंगे और 10 मिनट के उस solution को बॉईल करेंगे, और जो नो टर्बिडिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी, दैट इज अ केमिकल saponification test. Okay, now we have uses. Obviously it is used in the preparation of ointment, plaster, polishes, lipstick, creams. beeswax जो होता है majoritarily it is used in the cosmetic industry, candles, dental and electronic industries. Ingredient of paraffin ointment, IP. Okay, Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now adulterant उसके कौन से है? कोलोनोफोनी, hard paraffin, stearic acid, carnauba max are substituted when there is a deficient amount of beeswax produced. So these are the adulterants which are substituted for beeswax. Okay, white beeswax is not to be used in ophthalmic process. For the preparation of eye drops, it cannot be made in use. Next we have is the castor oil. Okay, which is an unsaturated, as I said. Castor oil is also known as resinous oil. Biological sources, it is a fixed volatile oil which is obtained by cold expression of seeds of Ricinus communis. Family is Euphorbiaceae. Geographical source, now India is the second last producer, wherein you have Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, USA, Thailand, and Brazil also. Now let's study about the method of preparation. Now it has two methods of preparation. One is by crushing and whole decorated seeds. Now this method is the hydraulic press, that is a mechanical method, while this dhani method is your previously or ancient method, wherein your bullocks are operated on a screw which rotates, and the seeds are posted in that container type, and however the bullocks are rotating, the seeds get crushed and the oil is obtained from that. So it is known as ghani. But mechanical method is what we do. सफान, आवाज कम कर जरा. All right, so in this what we do, we first decortify the seeds, and then it is with the help of the power it is put into the hydraulic presses. Now grade and free of impurities, the seed is decortified, and the hull, whatever the kachra is there, is removed, and it is pressed under hydraulic press with the 2 tons per square meter. This pressure is applied, and then उसके बाद हम लोग उसको स्टीम करेंगे 80 डिग्री पे. अब 2 टन का प्रेशर अप्लाई करने के बाद उसको स्टीम इसलिए करना है क्योंकि उसमें जितने भी टॉक्सिन है लाइक लाइपेज एंड रिसिन वो निकल जाएंगे, और फिर उसको ब्लीच करेंगे, डीएसिडिफाई करेंगे सोडियम कार्बोनेट से टू रिमूव फैटी एसिड. देन विल वॉश विद हॉट वाटर. Okay, we'll wash it with the hot water before steaming, and remove mucilaginous. जो भी म्यूसिलेज या जो भी वैक्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होगा उसको हम लोग निकाल देंगे वॉश करने से या स्टीम देने से. पहले, उसके बाद हम लोग उसको ट्रीट करेंगे चारकोल से ताकि उसकी जितनी भी बाकी की इम्प्योरिटीज है वो क्या हो जाए, एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए। ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स। वी हैव ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स ऑफ रिसिनोलिक एसिड, ओके, 80% विस्कोसिटी के लिए। वी हैव रिसिनोलिक एसिड, लिनोलिक, स्टीरिक एंड आइसोस्टीरिक एसिड। अब उसका केमिकल टेस्ट क्या है, इट इज मिक्स विद हाफ ऑफ इट्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ लाइट पेट्रोलियम इन द 40 to 60 डिग्रीज, ओके। और उसके यूजेस क्या है, ये कैथार्टिक में यूज होता है, इट इज़ अ लुब्रिकेंट, देन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पेंट, वार्निशेस, ग्रीस, पॉलिशेस, प्रिंटिंग इंक, टूथ फॉर्मुलेशन, contraceptive creams and jellies. Alright, these all are the uses wherein it is used. Then we have wool fat. Now wool fat is your lanolin or Adip's lane. Okay, Adip's lane. What is the biological source? It is hydrous. Wool fat is purified fat-like substance obtained from wool of sheep, Ovis aries family bovidae. अब wool fat का जो दूसरा नाम है उसको हम लोग lanolin बोलते हैं या Adip's lane बोलते हैं. It is a wool which is obtained from the sheep. Okay, ship से obtained होता है of Ovis aries which belongs to the family Bovidae. This is mainly obtained from Australia, USA and very less extent. Okay, wool fat बहुत ज़्यादा कम मिलता है इंडिया में. अब उसका प्रिपरेशन क्या है, जो भी रॉ वूल होगा जिसमें 31% वूल फाइबर्स, स्क्विंट और वूल हो गए, फिर उसमें स्वेट होगा, ओके, वूल स्वेट होगा जो, देन 32% जिसमें अर्थी मैटर होगा, 25% वुल ग्रीस और क्रूड लैनोलिन होगा. उसको क्या किया जाता है, क्रूड लैनोलिन को जो है वो सेपरेट करेंगे, पहले वॉश करेंगे विद सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, और उसको सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से वॉश करने के बाद एक सूटेबल ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट या सोप सोल्यूशन में डालेंगे. देन उसको प्योरीफाई करके उसको प्योरीफाई करके ब्लीच करते हैं. अब ये प्रोडक्ट जो ऑब्टेन्ड होता है ब्लीच करने के बाद उसको अनहाइड्रस लैनोलिन और वुल फैट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, अब ये जो हाइड्रस वुल फैट होता है ये मिक्स करते हैं विद द वुल फैट एंड विद द 30% वाटर, एंड दिस इज द वे हाउ योर वुल फैट इज ऑब्टेन. ठीक है, उसके केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स है ईस्टर एंड पॉलीस्टर मिक्सचर, ईस्टर ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल, आइसो कोलेस्ट्रॉल विद कार्नाब्यूइक एसिड, ओलिक, myristic, palmitic, lanoseric and lanopalmitic acids and 50% water. अब इसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट है, हम लोग इसका 5 ग्राम वुल फैट लेंगे, हाइड्रस फ्लैट लेंगे इन क्लोरोफॉर्म, 1 ml एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड डालेंगे, 2 ड्रॉप सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डालेंगे. डीप ग्रीन कलर शोज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल. ठीक है, देन वी हैव the uses, that is a water absorbent ointment base, water soluble cream and cosmetic preparation. It can be allergy also. Okay, now the second video of this lipids we are going to continue from charmogra oil. Until this, subscribe the channel and comment down the doubts below.